Just Buggin.
So we're at Atlantic Sounds. Gonna check out some records. We're coming here a bunch now. Great place. Definitely go check it out.
You play them sometimes?
What, records?
Yeah.
Yeah. I got a record player that I can plug into my computer and actually record music off of it.
Fantastic weekend ago.
Oh,
Great.
pretty good.
Where are you guys from?
From an hour away. We've been in here before and filmed a video for this place.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were just showing my German son. He's over here visiting.
All right. Rock and roll. Any help you need? You guys ready?
Sounds good, man.
Thanks.
See you, Kim.
Oh, getting some footage.
Yep.
Okay.
Look, Japan. Rubinstein.
You guys do used records? You guys buy used records sometimes?
Oh yeah, I've got a huge collection.
That makes it
A lot of old Kiss records and stuff.
Uh-huh.
Some 8 tracks.
Ja, fantastic. Oh, it's with Bernstein.
Well, I got a lot of Kiss on 8 track too.
Hey, $2.
I don't know. I used to
Yeah.
collect everything.
It's with Leonard Bernstein. I love this.
Get one. Do you have a record player?
Yeah.
You should get one.
I have it on the record already.
Oh, wow. Already prepared.
Mozart.
Beethoven.
But your classical music?
Right.
It's nice.
Right.
Yeah, he listens to a lot of it in Munich. Big and classic in Munich.
Bigger than you in Florida, for sure.
Oh yeah. I don't know anything about
What
it.
is this?
Sounds like an
That's your
elevator.
That's your favorite cover.
No.
Do you want that?
No,
I get it for you.
No,
But
you
have
don't.
to put it on top of your bed.
No.
Steam! Yeah, let's go to the sauna. You know their one song? Na, 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 na. Yeah.
Oh shit, that's actually them?
Buddy.
Oh, okay.
That's it. It's a joke band, really, because they created that in the studio. They didn't have a band. There was no band.
Yeah.
Just some people that got together. The guy sang it. You even see the guy who sang the song. He's there.
Huh.
So wait a minute. Oh, so none of these guys really were. He's the lead vocal on the big song.
Yeah.
The rest, I don't know what they do. It's just so it's not even. They need
Not
some,
a real band.
They needed some people to pretend to be the band.
Yeah.
And maybe they.
Sounds maybe better.
Yeah, maybe. But there's a lot of things like that. In the old days, they would just create a hit record in the studio, and they didn't really have a band. It was just a bunch of people, you know, studio rap.
Did you want to make a song with me? Come in.
Nice little record museum.
Yes, I agree.
Nice. Right like Schubert. Mendelssohn. So much music.
Bunch of stuff, man.
Mm-hmm.
It's cool.
It's a hell of a collection, huh?
Yeah, it is. And look, I got some records in this back room too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we got some Neil Diamond. How much you want?
You too?
Well, Gremlins?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
had bad dreams of them
Yeah.
when I was a kid. I thought sometimes they're in my wardrobe.
They're freaky looking things, aren't they? Nasty. Yeah, they are.
We've been here all week. On our way home.
I see.
See, Kim?
You're ready.
They got a bunch of stuff, don't they?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Under Western Skies.
Here you go. You might like that. Look on there.
Oh yeah, Kiss.
yeah,
Seen
We
them.
got that on the
Seen them,
video.
bud.
I don't know how many times I've
Yeah.
seen them all in solo acts.
I was bloodshot.
Yeah, here's Germany.
Yeah, I've got one of those Kiss picture
Look,
discs. too.
look, we found a Germany section.
Oh, German section?
Strangely enough, yes. I think just yesterday we bought. Are you from Germany?
Yeah.
Yeah. We just bought a German turntable.
Oh,
a real
wow.
nice one.
Oh.
And a bunch of records, and all the records are from Germany.
Huh.
Really?
Yeah.
Funny stuff. Yodeling
Look, here's
in
one
the
right
Alps.
You don't like
Roger
it?
Chapman. Here's one sitting right here. Printed in Germany. Electro. They're all. It's a whole collection of imports.
Huh. Wow. Yeah, you get a hell of a collection. Mine's only about 1,300 records.
Yeah, well, that's a good amount.
Not bad, I would say.
I got a few of them too. You know, I guess people that work in a record store tend to have records.
I really wanted to sell a couple of them when some of them died, and my wife would not let me. I was like, you paid $1/4 for this, and they're selling for $250.
I know.
What the hell? And then 2 or 3 hours later, the excitement's over.
Really?
They're back down to $25 an album.
But but initially
when Whitney Houston
really?
died, and then
jumped.
When Michael Jackson died,
Yeah.
the first records of each one of them was hot as hell. Like $200, $300. People had to have it right now.
You know what's funny? People
Within 5-6 hours later, it was gone.
You know, that makes sense, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It's that frenzy.
Both of those times, I was right there on put one on eBay, and my wife, yeah, it did.
Hey,
Paid
Hey, let's go to the turntables.
You know, people bring in
Hey, Sinatra.
$15.
Right.
And they go, what?
There used to be more.
6 million of them. But here, I'll tell you something. Look at this. Felt. Yeah, nobody's ever seen that before. I know I haven't. It's some psychedelic something from the 70s.
Huh.
It's worth at least $250.
Wow.
For something this bizarre.
Cool.
So, you know what it really comes down to for the big money records? Scarcity.
Right.
Makes sense.
Makes sense.
Or it does. Or they came out on some weird ass label at first.
Right. And that's the hot one.
Yeah, or somebody decided this is the coolest psychedelic album I've ever heard. I was amazed.
Had no
And that happens all the time.
It'd be interesting to see what the values of ours are anymore. I
Yeah.
stopped looking in the 90s.
You talking about the love gun we have?
Oh yeah, we get the Love Gun record with the perforated Love Gun,
Sure.
not even pulled out of the perforation. The
Oh,
whole
really?
card. Yeah.
I've seen that
Yeah.
come through.
Yeah.
That's actually pretty good. Pete, you ever heard of Bill Bruford?
No.
Drummer. Yes. You've heard of Yes? Man, Yes?
Yeah.
I think so.
So that's a cool cover. You go, look at that eye.
So much stuff, huh?
Yeah.
We could spend all day here.
Yep,
Yeah.
for real.
You can spend 270 PM if you like.
Here, come here, look. Yeah, posters. This is what I got.
Posters.
I got 2 last time.
Cool. I used to buy posters all the time when we had the game room. My garage was a game room before I got into restoring cars.
Yeah.
Sold everything. Pool table, slot machine. Yeah, I love that. I've got that on vinyl. I've got that on.
Oh, I'll see you there.
Yeah, those are sealed in plastic. I love Stevie Ray Vaughan.
Yeah, you want Frank Sinatra?
Yeah, Frank's too.
I have not even something to play CDs anymore.
That's cool. Look at that.
Holography? Oh, that's cool.
Boom. Cool.
Arctic Monkey. Good album. Man.
You guys are having a great time.
No problem.
Did you come all the way from Germany to visit us?
Yeah.
I told him, I said he has to visit them.
I think that's,
Once a year normally.
that's fantastic.
But it's
Oh,
been
yes.
2.5 years since we've seen him, so because of what's been going on. Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Makes it not
You know,
easier.
we've already hit bottom. It can only get better.
Oh yeah.
That's true.
We just religiously take our vitamins, and I haven't been sick in 8 years. So knock on wood.
Great.
Or some wood.
Well, look, but have a great time.
VW bus.
Ooh, a VW bus.
Have a great day.
That's a cool bus.
Thank you.
See you, man.
Have a good one. We'll see you again.
Check them out, guys. Atlantic Sounds. Look at him. Look, I need space.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's looking sweet. Hey man, so, hey, let's get out of the road, but where are we at?
We are at the Daytona Beach Flea Market.
Yeah,
Where
and we're
we
getting
had the pickles and
some
the beer
Steve
last
pickles. Yeah, and Kevin's gonna get his olives that he was wanting.
Stuffed olives.
He hasn't had in years. Yeah, and we're gonna hopefully find a good hot dog stand.
Oh, yes.
Because we're craving some good hot dogs right now.
2 hot dogs.
Yeah.
3 hot dogs. Yeah. Sweet garlic.
Sweet garlic. New York. Yum yum.
Sweet garlic.
Sweet garlic.
What do y'all see?
Cinnamon pickle.
Sweet garlic.
Sweet with horseradish.
And I want some spicy.
Well, ask him what you want for spicy.
Sweet, sour, and hot.
Yeah.
It's the third most popular pickle.
Yeah?
That one is. This is number 1. Garlic dill's number 2.
Sweet horseradish.
Oh yeah, that sounds good.
It's not hot. Might get a little nasal because of horseradish. Not hot.
You like
Yeah, can I try that one?
I want to try this with you, Kevin.
Thank you.
Which one?
This one.
This one?
We'll try that one.
Thank you.
So it's going to start sweet, turn sour, and finish hot.
Thank you.
Sweet.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. That was good.
Start sweet, turn sour, finishes hot.
That's good. You like it? Look,
Your olives.
where's the ones with cheese that you normally get? Is that them?
I don't know if that's them or not.
Well, this
Spicy,
one's also good.
spicy Italian. Hey, spicy Italian.
Feta cheese.
Yeah, that's the one we got last time. These are good.
I want spicy Italian.
Spicy Italian?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Like this sauce.
You gonna get him again?
Yeah.
Can't go wrong, man. Check out Steve's Pickle Place. Hot garlic doing it.
Ballpark mustard, you know, look.
Ooh.
That one might be good. You don't want the bite stuff.
Ooh.
Bite?
Definitely gonna buy it. I'm stealing this. I'm only doing spicy because you like spicy. That's why I'm trying. Salt and vinegar?
Spicy ranchero?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll try that one.
All around?
Yep.
Oh, this one is good.
Here we go. Here we go. Put jam up.
I like that
It's
one.
not really spicy though.
Nope.
No, it's actually less than that.
Yeah, that one's spicy. That's hot.
That's good. Yeah, it says spicy hot, look.
Oh no, those are the best ones.
Check them out, guys. Pickles and Olives. The Pickle Place. Yum yum. Italian. Gonna get those.
Oh, yeah.
They're really good.
Yeah.
Hey man, what we got here?
We got the dog steam.
Yeah, Steve's Pickle Place sent us over here because we wanted to get a hot dog, so we're gonna check out their stuff. And look at that, Chicago dog, flame grilled dog, and warm poppy seed roll, smothered with tomatoes,
Relish?
onions,
What is relish?
Cut up pickles, basically. Pork, peppers, celery salt, and a pickle spear. Sounds pretty good. Sounds GMO. We'll show you guys, but hey, we got a bunch of different pickles as you guys saw. We got some garlic, we got some ranch, spicy ones.
He's filming your
Yeah, we're promoting you guys.
the Frankfurter.
Oh, it says Frankfurter.
Frankinator.
Frankinator.
My German son's here, so I'm still remembering Frankfurt.
We got the Freighter Tater. What do you got?
Slow down.
What you got?
Frankinator.
Yeah, looks good. Check out the dog house. Kevin's getting the Chicago dog. Let's dig in. Look at that.
Chicago dog.
Yum, yum. And this is great.
Yeah.
Great food. Check them out. Link in the description. Yeah, making some VW quilts. That'd be cool.
So will it have like cars on it?
It's cool though.
Will the quilt have like VW?
It's going to have buses and it's going to have bugs. It's going to have both.
A
Yeah.
lot of bus fans too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially that beautiful one Jeff had.
But how'd we find this? We just happened to be scrolling
I was
Facebook
on
and
Facebook and I saw it.
yeah, I saw the post too,
So,
and
we'll
we
be
saved
here
it.
for
So.
vacation.
Yeah, I had to check it out.
Yeah.
Show some love, some
Yeah.
VW love. So go check them out, guys. Hey guys, it's Dalton. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We had a great time and had some great conversations with the guys at Atlantic Sounds. Definitely go check them out. They have a wide selection of new and used records, along with CDs, and of course record players and posters. So definitely go check them out. There's some great guys. Also, we went to the Tanger Outlets where, as you saw, my dad got a new hat. I need space. Pretty cool hat at Zumiezs. And then I went over to the Pepper Palace and got some hot salsa, whatever it was. I'll try and pop it up, but yeah, guys, definitely go check them out. I'm not too big fan of hot stuff, but I actually really enjoyed it. All of us thought it was a really good flavor. But then we went over to the Daytona Flea Market and checked out Steve's Pickle Place, which we always check out when we go over there. They have some good ass pickles, so definitely go check them out. Then we went over to the Dog House and got some great hot dogs, which that was recommended to us by Steve's Pickle Place. So definitely go check out both of them. They have great pickles, great hot dogs. Links down in the description for, of course, everybody. And also definitely go check out Handmade items and more. As you see, she painted some VW stuff and she sells a bunch of other little cool stuff, so definitely go check them out. Also, thank you Charlie from Daytona Air Cool Parts for all the awesome pictures you took. Definitely go check out his link down in the description, and if you didn't see part 1 of this, then go check it out. But we had a great time in Daytona and we're glad we got to forever memorialize it and of course show you guys our time that we had. I didn't even plan filming either one of these videos, but at the same time I wanted to preserve the moment with Kevin and show off all the experiences he got to enjoy. But yeah guys, we hope you guys enjoyed these videos. Of course, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, have a just buggin' of a day. Stay tuned for Earth Day Birthday 27. Yep, we filmed the whole time we were there, so yeah guys, stay tuned for that next video. And of course, after that, stay tuned for my brother and I getting a tattoo video, then the next day going to a German car show and then seeing Scott Staff, and then also stay tuned for our no-do videos, which will probably be in 3 parts, and we're sad we can't get those out before Bug Jam, but you know, it's a one-man show right here, filming them, editing them, and getting them out for you guys to enjoy. So yeah, stay tuned for all those great videos. And of course, we'll be at Bug Jam, so stay tuned for that if you want to come out and see us. And also check out the merch. The What You Doing Just Buggin' merch is online now, so you guys can purchase it and have it shipped directly to your house.